Hi friend, today I got some power tubes in for my Mesa Boogie. It's the dual rectifier. I got 6L6 GCs for it. They're the 445 versions, which are JJs, but they're Mesa brand, so they're matched by Mesa themselves to work with the fixed bias. We're going to put them in today. If that sounds good, join me. Okay, this is the Mesa Dual Rectifier. We're just going to change the power tubes today. This one has the KT77s and the 6V6s in it. We're going to change it to 6L6s. So we're going to go through each of the different channels and just get a sound sample. I'm just going to turn my Lawler Bridge pickup up to 10 on both the tone and the volume. We're going to just try it out. Channel 2. And channel 3. Okay, we're going to change out these tubes and we're going to see if it makes a difference. I'm going to leave all the settings the same. Okay, now the bias switch was set to the EL34 position for the 6V6s and the KT77s, but we're going to switch that over. Okay, now it should be in the correct position, and I got the tubes in. 6L6s, and we're going to give it a go. All right, I got the 6L6s in, and we're going to A/B it. Here's the clean channel. I notice it's sharper. There's a more high end. It's less smooth on the high end. Let's move to the next channel. I've changed none of the settings. Interesting. It feels different, and it does sound different. It sounds more like a Mesa should. Let's go to the third channel. I like it. I'm not sure what the difference is going to be, because we're going to put both of them together with the different tube sets. I'm very surprised that there's as much difference as there is. I didn't think power tubes made as much difference, especially when I have it at such a low volume. You see I have the master. Where's it at? Right here. It's almost at 0. It's below 1 on that one. Of course, these ones are higher. This one's at like, what is that, 9? That one's at like 8 o'clock. But I'm pleasantly surprised with how I kind of like the clean channel better with the other tubes, but I think I just have to play with the EQ a little bit. The EQ on these dual rectifiers are a little bit different than Marshall's. Everyone says they're the same values, but you know what? They act different, and I think I just have to spend some time with it. Let me try channel 2 with the volume turned down a little bit. This Les Paul, I have a lot of trouble with tuning stability on the B string and the G string. And I think it is how it pulls to the right. The angle's too sharp. And I ask online, and everyone's like, you don't wrap it right. Okay, you know what? None of my other guitars do it. So I don't know. All right, let me try this again. We're gonna turn down the volume.
Bye.